Hello, friends! I recently uploaded a game-to-reality transition video on Instagram and YouTube. I received a fantastic response to that video, along with numerous comments requesting a tutorial or the specific prompt used for the transition. Creating this video requires a specific prompt, an AI tool, and some basic video editing skills. Let's get started on making this video. First, download gameplay footage for the games Rash and Traffic Rider from YouTube. Next, extract and save 5-second clips from each of those videos. You can trim or cut these clips using any standard video editing app. Now, take each of these clips one by one and process them using the Gemini AI tool, applying the following prompt. Edit this video to 4K resolution, making it ultra clear, without altering the original content. Remove any icons or numbers displayed on the screen. Once the videos have been processed, take a screenshot of the final frame of the Road Rash video and a screenshot of the opening frame of the Traffic Rider video. Now, open Google Chrome, navigate to the Picverse AI website, and log in using your Google account. Upon logging in, you will initially receive a credit balance of 80 to 90 credits. After logging in, click on the Transition option. You will see fields labeled Start Frame and End Frame. Upload the screenshot from the Road Rash video as the start frame and the screenshot from the Traffic Rider video as the end frame. Paste the specific prompt provided in the description into the text box. Select a video resolution of 720p and a duration of 5 seconds from the options provided below, then click Create. In the same manner, take screenshots of the final frame of the Traffic Rider video and the opening frame of your actual real-life ride footage. Keep in mind that Picverse provides a limited number of credits. To generate another video, you will either need to subscribe to the service or purchase additional credits. Alternatively, you can log in using a different Google account to create the video. This will grant you another set of 80 to 90 credits. In Picverse, simply select the transition again, upload your start and end frames, paste the prompt, and then click Create. Once all the videos have been generated, open any video editing app to combine these various clips into a single cohesive video. You will need to synchronize the clips with one another based on their timing and frames. Creating this transition video takes a little extra time, as the AI requires some time to generate the video content. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments section. Please make sure to like, share, and comment on this video.